What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the upcoming ability to go live in communities in high level. That's right. This is a game changer. I know you've heard it all before, but this one, I'm going to show you everything you need to know, the ins and outs, so that when it goes live, you'll be able to turn it on and start broadcasting to your groups right away. And I'll tell you what, if they're going to show all this now and give all this away, what are they going to be giving up at the level up event? I'm so excited to see what type of new features they're going to be releasing and crazy things that they're going to be giving out. Because again, if they're releasing something like this, a game changer like this that will make groups better than school or any of the other platforms out there, I don't see how they can hold these. They did hold this back for the level up of it. Anyway, with no further ado, let's jump into today's quick video. All right, so one of the things you're going to notice once it's turned on right away, you're going to be able to go live right here. Now, only the admins will see this. The community itself does not see the go live button from what I've been told by my students. Now, once you go in, you're able to go in and then pick what group or channel it is. You'll see I have a channel specifically I've devoted for lives. Now, it shows that you can go now, or I guess you're going to be able to schedule it for later. I don't know. They have a drop down, so this gives me the intention that you're going to be able to have like later scheduled broadcast. I know in like StreamYard, you can record yourself and then make it seem like it's a live stream later. I don't know. Maybe they're going to have that availability. So then you come in, you can obviously, I don't think it'll work now. My camera's not going to work because Zoom's taking it. But normally you'll be able to click the cameras and then a permission tab will appear right here. And then you'll be able to see your camera and everything looks great. It's like 1080p, it's great. You can also use, if you want down here, you can see if you want OBS or anything else. So like if you wanted to use streaming software like Zoom or anything and stream directly in here, which I'm not sure why you would. Oh, it looks like it's gonna show something there. And then you got your screen key. I'm gonna have to blur that out. And then you got your server key for anyone that wants to use the streaming service. And then if you want to use just a regular meeting room, you have the ability, just like anything else, drop downs for the different microphones. You'd come in here, be able to put your title, your description, just like everything else. This one is really cool. You'll notice that if you go back to another right here, this is what it looks like once recorded. And you'll see that it's able to, let's see here for auto. It looks like it's only 720. Somebody had asked if it was 1080, but it looks like it's only 720 in here. But you can see right here, it's got all the different, this is what it looks like. It'll automatically make this post for you when it's done with the actual live. And I'm going to jump on right now and see if it'll let me go live, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. So when you go live too, you'll notice that it should now have a post with the ability to join, right? So you're going to have the title and everything here, how many are watching live, and then they can click right here to be able to join directly into the stream. Eventually, I would imagine that they would have the ability to join from an email, but right now, the only way I need to know to join is by clicking the join stream button here in the actual channel itself. And then you'll see here, you've got the ability to click on your camera. Let me see if it probably won't let me share my camera or mic just because, again, I'm using this meeting's being recorded. So the mic went, but yeah, the camera's not going, which I'm not surprised because I'm using it on Zoom right now. So then you've got your ability to move stuff out of the way here. You've got all your participants. You've got the ability to switch it out with a chat. You can use emojis. You can drop stuff in. So if I wanted to drop in this image, which I must say, high level, you guys did a really good job with this. I am really happy. I love the ability to raise your hand. I've already used this before with one of my students, or some of my students. I had like 7 students show up. They were able to raise their hand, engage. Everything worked really, really well. And then your share screen is like your typical share screen. So if I pop up here, you've got your tab, you got your window, you got your entire screen, and then you can select them to be able to choose on what you want to share. And then you've got your different views up at the top here. So you've got your speaker and your gallery view, depending on how many people and how you want to display things. And that's it. It's a great skateboard model. It's not 1080 yet. I thought it was. It looks like it's 720, but it still looks great. And you know what? I think they'll have 1080 here, probably maybe it level up for all you know. But thanks so much, High Level, for giving me beta access to this and allowing me to have special privileges like this. I can't thank you enough. For anyone that's still around, if you're watching this, are you going to level up? I'd love to see you there. If you're going to level up, put a level up down below in the comments so that I know that you're there, and we'll talk about some AI. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Funnel Dog out. Peace.